Hey guys, today we're at Provincial Park. We're going to rent some bikes and drive around the park. We're renting the bikes from Be Together Bikes. They have a bunch of different types of bikes, and the rates depend on the type of bike you rent. This two-seater is pretty cool. And check this out, Chipmunk. Nice cool little bike. These are the bikes we rented. Number 112. And this four-wheel drive one. And there's the beach. This way. We're just cutting through a parking lot to go off-roading. Bike trail.
Trailer for sailoring.
Big sir?
Yeah.
That trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer
What if we
for
see a bear?
sailoring.
This is fun though. When you're just sitting in it, it's fun when you're just sitting.
Don't pay. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man of me, I know. Give the road. Trailer for
Oh, cool.
sailoring.
Turn that way.
Trailer
this
for
bike was-
sailoring.
Because it's more comfortable.
Ain't got no cigarette.
You okay?
Well, that's it. I'm not cut out for this.